Hi guys, I'm Kris.
Kathy.
And I'm going to disappear myself because they're going to do another burping challenge. So I'm just going to scoot my way over here.
Okay, guys.
And they're going to go.
Come on. My grandson.
Get on and go with it.
Yeah. My grandson is right here. And come on. Say your piece. Inside.
Hola. Wait, what?
Okay. Today is my grandson and I, and we're going to be doing we were
Burping
requested
contest.
to have a burping contest.
By
so,
Roberto?
By Roberto.
Roberto.
So, Roberto, this one's for you. And
before if you haven't seen the first burping contest video, please go over to that video. And now we'll start the burping contest.
Also, at the end of this, let us know who you think wins. We're
Comment
going to
down
burp
below.
at each other.
Okay, and also, before we get started, if you have any ideas for another video, please comment down below.
Thank you.
Okay. I like I'm doing short burps and doing long burps.
Okay, let's do the short burps.
Burp.
Okay.
I have a feeling I know who the winner is.
champion!
The champion is my grandson. And of course, the real champion here is tolerating our butts. And that's Aunt Kris.
hide.
She hides and cringes.
hide.
But thank her for tolerating us.
And I have my
I
feeling
threw up in
on
my
who you threw up in your own mouth, didn't you? Yeah, you
Okay,
threw up
Toe,
in
what
your
are we
own
going
mouth.
to do now, hon? While we're doing the video, are you going to...
Yeah, I'll entertain people.
My grandson is totally awesome. He's the coolest little kid in town.
Okay.
Actually, he's not a little kid anymore, is he?
I'm gonna put. Oh crap!
Technical difficulties. Stand by.
Baby skin.
Yeah.
Baby skin.
That's right. We're gonna be
tell-
soft as a baby's
And
behind.
you are too, because you never do it either. You're gonna tell everyone you use.
Let me tell you what.
Baby.
I have a friend that's Hispanic, Latino, Hispanic, yeah. And she is probably about maybe 4 years younger than me. All you have to do for wrinkle cream is put this on and her wrinkles just almost disappear. It's not fair, okay?
There we go.
Uh-oh. We have Steve Urkel in the house.
Okay.
My grandson is
The next thing
else.
I'm gonna do is put lip insurance on. A must for me.
Geico car insurance.
That's right. Hey, you know what?
He can't remember. He can't like be doing anything on here.
I just got these yesterday. Aren't they lovely? Oh, if you want to have good friends, subscribe to our channel.
Push the like button down below.
Chris, how come you never wear glasses?
I wear headbands every once in a while, but I don't wear glasses.
She reserves the right to
I
be...
feel like there's like two sides in the middle of the camera, like the grumpy side and the happy side.
the funky monkey, which is me.
And serious side.
And the very beautiful side over here, which is her. She's beautiful all
Of
the
course,
time.
it's me.
It's the beautiful people on this side, the funky monkey on this side.
I am using Hard Candy Eye Primer.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if there's still any left in here.
Oh, I don't know, girl.
Oh.
We've been doing all kinds of crazy stuff. Okay.
There it is.
La la la.
You guys, can I tell you a joke?
No.
Yes, tell me a joke.
What's brown and sticky?
Ew. I don't know.
A stick.
It's brown and sticky. A stick. Is that one of those Dude Perfect jokes? The dad jokes or
Yeah.
something? Yeah. You guys ought to watch that. That's so funny.
Yeah.
These guys get together and they're all dads and they come up with some jokes. If you have to really think about it,
Well,
but they are
it's from
funny.
a different channel, not the New Perfect channel, but Too Perfect.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Look at me in the camera. Oh my gosh.
I think the channel is called Whistle Sports.
Whistle Sports?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
dad jokes.
I think it's cute though. I mean, honestly, it really is cute.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I think I got a little bit carried away. Look in the camera at how funky I look, Kris. I didn't realize I did that much.
Okay. So,
If you guys can think of anything funny that you want done, just let me know, and I'll be glad.
We'll mention you in the video.
Yepers. And we will. Actually, that's a good idea. You know, if we choose an idea, like I just want to say hi to this young lady
I'm going to try to find the gift.
yesterday that she became one of our friends. You know, yesterday she subscribed and became our friend. Super sweet, and just wanted to say hi to you and welcome you to our little channel.
hi.
Yeah, we're really, really glad that you became a part of our family group. And Nancy, goes without saying, look at how funny I look. Quack, quack, quack.
What are you doing?
I don't really know. I made myself choke. It's, OMG. Yippers, I've just gone a little bit haywire.
Keep on doing it. You can still talk.
Oh, my grandson made a gif of me yesterday. It was hilarious. I'm not kidding. I'm doing 70s. I'm doing the disco. It's he made a gift for his grandma. I didn't even know what a gift was.
I'm trying to find the gift.
It's funny. Okay, I'm gonna go crazy with my little brush here shortly.
Find the gift.
Go ahead and find the gift, baby.
Gift, here.
Da, 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 da.
There's the brow liner by Elf.
Yeah.
And here is the Control Freak by NYX.
Oh, thank you for reminding me. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you gotta show. Anybody know has Facebook? I'm on Facebook yesterday sometime in the evening.
Hey,
It's
Kris.
funny.
What?
She's trying to do a
The
video,
gift
baby.
looks like a photo.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, that would be me. Uh-huh.
Wait, can I show the camera or no?
I don't know that it would show up right. I mean, it's just
Okay.
we're doing a video right now, baby.
Okay, we'll wait.
I don't mind, but kind of.
Okay, I am going to put Tarte Shape Tape.
There you go. That's one of our favies. I personally am starting to fall in love with this other one, mainly because you don't have to put as much, and it doesn't make the wrinkles show up as much on me personally. Everybody's skin is different though. I am not in the camera, am I? Oh wow, I really have gone overboard.
Here's my Y6.
Yep, she's got a Y6 and I have my, what is it called? I really love it. It's by BH Mall. And man, it's a good brush. It really is. And oh my Lord, my nose from rubbing it nonstop. Oh, Connie needs help. And I can't lift these things. I don't know how she does it.
She's coming back from prison.
No, she's going to prison.
She's going to prison.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if she quit getting in trouble, they'd stop putting her in prison. My sister works in prison ministry, so it's a long-standing joke that if
Yep.
she stopped getting in trouble, she'd stop going to prison.
There you go.
You guys want to hear a fun fact?
Yes, fun fact.
Okay. In 1920, Coco Chanel was on a cruise in the French.
Coco Chanel?
Yeah, Coco Chanel.
Uh-huh.
She was in the French Riviera and accidentally got sunburned. This is when tans started to become popular.
Oh.
To this day, many people attribute Coco Chanel to have sparked the popularity of sun tanning. Fake tanning is believed to follow the sun tanning trend soon after.
Oh, wow. I did not know that.
I did not know
Yeah,
that.
Coco Chanel ended up... Be careful, baby.
I know.
She ended up selling her father-in-law or somebody, one of her relatives stole pretty much her company from her. And she ended up... Oh, I know why. It's because he was German and they thought he was Hitler or something or other. I only know part of it, but she ended up dying pretty not very wealthy because of her relationship with this guy. And that company's still very wealthy. I don't know who has the money, who ended up having it, but she ended up pretty
Kris,
much
how come you
losing
have so
it.
many dots on yourself?
It's
Because
called foundation.
this is foundation.
Yeah.
And pretty soon there won't be any dots on my face. Oh no, we're out of tissue?
We are?
Oh.
No, we're not. But it's scratchy. Yeah. Thanks to Constance, she saw fit to get those. But I don't, honestly, I'd rather go to the dollar store, you know, the dollar store, because they sell puffs and all the other ones for $1. It's just a little bit difficult to get places nowadays.
But, here's your phone.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you so very much. Oh, you are such a lovely, lovely young man. Toe, bleh. He's doing disco dancing for me. Yeah. Oh, that's Ghostbusters.
Well, that, yeah, song, but.
Okay. I'm not sure that I really want, because my eyes are itching and burning. And
Is this fun in Niagara Falls?
yeah, it is.
I expected it a little bit higher. That's why it was.
Well, I mean, yeah, because it's like, I don't know whether it's a photo or whether, I don't know. I am starting to love this stuff. Really love it. It's
See
called
there? It's all gone.
Okay.
Revolution, Conceal and Define. It works wonderfully.
Okay. Do you have this?
Yeah, I gave it to Valley Girl.
Valley Girl?
Valerie.
Oh.
I gave her those because I was having a hard time getting it to lay on my face right, and so the ones that do work for me, which is this right here, the NYX works really well, and the what's the other one? Oh, you look so adorable. You gotta just take a little flying right around here. Oh yeah, gotta see my grandson. He's wearing some of Grandma's giddy up pony.
My doctor told me it was hard for me to see, so I have to wear glasses every day now. I'm sorry.
Oh dear.
I don't know
Look
what
at how
happened.
handsome my grandson is.
Remember we got pulled for having him in.
Oh, no, we ain't gonna get pulled this time because he ain't doing nothing. He's just acting goofy. We won't let that happen, man. Thank you, Lord.
Look. No.
What's wrong?
I had a little
Had a
problem.
little situation
I had a
going
little
on?
situation going on.
It's a situation. Oh, sounded like Chinese food. Hey, cutie. Oh, how you doing?
Good.
We're good. Are you gonna? What was it? I don't even know what I was asking. Yeah, that would be me.
Are you gonna? Oh!
What's wrong? You just got a little hair right here. That's all. That's it. You're good. Just let me get that little. Oh, it went away. What is that? A Japanese brush? Because that's a nice looking brush. It looks like Japanese.
Japanesque.
That's what I thought.
I thought you said Japanese for some.
No, that's a special brush.
What's her face? Tati has Japanese brushes,
Does
but
she?
she never says who they are.
Oh.
But they look just like this.
Yeah, Japanese has their own little thingy-me-bob. Okay, here we go.
No.
What's wrong? I have a lot of brushes, so I've been using specific things with them, but what you doing, hon?
Just drawing.
Okay, drawing me a picture?
Yeah.
All right, well, Grandma will have,
I'm not drawing a picture though.
I forgot to put powder on.
yeah, you know what, I did too. Wowie, wowie, wow, wow.
Wowie.
Wowie, mowie, wowie. Yeah. Okay, let's try one more time. Oh,
So
no.
definitely put powder on.
It smells good.
The one I use, oh, I love it.
Those brushes feel good.
What is it?
Those brushes feel good.
Oh, yeah. Try this one. Oh, be careful.
Oh.
What happened? What is it?
It's all right.
Did he knock over something?
Yeah.
Was it supposed to be a certain way?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's no problem. I'll fix it.
Hello.
Powder on?
Well, I was asking him to try it because it's so soft.
Can't seem to get that fixed in there.
Can't get it fixed.
I don't know. He's tried everything. And it looks like when they put it in, the man that did it
Mm.
didn't do it.
I wonder
quite
why
right.
it just didn't come out right.
There we go.
I don't know.
There we go.
You should really buy this brush. It feels so good. Like this.
The heck?
I want to buy this now.
See, this is cotton. Right there.
Oh,
That's all. It feels soft, just like this brush.
Look away. I love cotton.
Well, I'm going to go find a place to sit down for a while.
Well, come sit in here.
I'm cold in here.
Oh, okay.
I'm cold in here too.
Are
You're
you?
kidding me.
No,
I'm ready to take that light off.
I'm unwell. So
Okay. My nose. Well, Mama, we'll see you in just a little bit then.
I'm going to have to re-sweep in here.
I will. Just don't let me forget. Because I'm a forgetfulitis sometimes. Okay. Help. Where is it? I'm trying to find this one brush. Oh, poopy. There it is.
Wasn't that brush that? Oh, never mind.
What, sweetie?
I was asking if that was that comfortable brush. So what's your guys' next video going to be probably?
This is the one. Don't really know. I know that I'm not really sure, honey. Oh my goodness. My skin is peeling.
my
We're
mouth
being-
is peeling.
Really?
Geez, Connie drives out of here fast.
She does? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Spaghetti-O. Okay, you have a black dot right here.
No more dots.
There you go. No more dots. We gotta get rid of those dots. Dot, dot, circle, circle, dot, dot. Oops, no.
I got my cootie shot. You think that girl is hot? I think you better not.
I just thought of it whenever you said that. Okay, here we go. Walking down the street. What? What is it? Okay, people. I can't get past square peg number 1 with my makeup today. Goodness gracious. Okay, let's get my little light colored bronzer on. My eyes have been itching all night long. Don't ask me why. What's my little handsome grandson doing over there?
Drawing?
Okay. Drawing a gorgeous picture.
Yeah.
All right. Uh-oh. See, you can't... Oh, my Lord. Really? Kathleen. See, this is only supposed to be around the edges. And I went and did it in the middle of the face, so now I have to kind of blend that right on out. I may have to put my eye on a break because when my eyes get red like this, you know, usually, I guess it's all that cheaper, lower costing makeup that I got because I got quite a bit of it. What you doing, sweet pea?
Just looking.
Hmm?
I'm just looking at what you guys are doing.
Well, I just got the bronzer on, which I couldn't wait to get. Okay. Now,
I'm gonna
what you doing now, handsome?
sit down.
You're gonna sit down?
I'm gonna
Okay.
sit down.
All right. Wow. My eyelids are like so raw. Ooh, la, da, da. What are you doing, little man?
None.
Hmm?
None.
Nothing, honey? Wow. Even the inside of my nose is cracked. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm not picking my nose, even though it looks like it.
Oh, I can't get this open.
I can get it open. Want me to open it? Oh, that's pretty. It's called Mellow Wine.
Almost burped. I almost burped.
Oopsie. Why did that come up like that?
I have no
That
idea.
shouldn't have come up like that.
Kris, why don't you come on to the next burping contest if we do another one?
Ah! Sorry, Kris. There you go, sweetie. Now let me, since I already went that far, there you go.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
This
You
is
sound like Dad there for a minute. He'd always do that. He'd go, thank you. And Toey, what did you say, sweetie?
Oh, holy shit. I mean, shoot.
Calvin was putting the F-bombs everywhere last night, and I kept saying, please
Yeah,
stop.
but I don't do that
Yeah, I know.
in front of kids.
Yeah,
That just
well.
came out. Did you see how?
Yep, I saw it. Yes, I did.
Okay, just a little bit more.
There is Mr. Calavino right there. You want to go get your Calavino's attention, Toey? He's right, walk that way. He's probably looking for you.
I want to fly my drone.
Okay, tell him.
My drone.
I don't know if he's going to be out here long, but I have a feeling he's looking for you.
I was going to.
Cal!
No, wait. I'm going to fly my drone.
What is it, honey?
I'm going to fly my drone.
Okay, well, tell him. Calvin! Don't go. Yeah, we'll keep charging it.
Okay.
All right. Little men are, you raised two men. You know how little men are. They're very wild and persnickety. I like that. That looks good. I love my grandbaby. Wish my granddaughter would be a part of something. Okay, I'm doing the karate chops on the under chin. This reminds me of cats when they paw and knead on you, except for you're doing face kneading. I know today that I'm not really in the video very good, but my sister and I are both having a hard time sitting up on top of each other. It's like you have to, I just wish there's some way we could hang the camera like from midair and get an aerial view so we wouldn't have to sit in such a tight spot. Alrighty.
Okay.
Here we
Now
go.
It is time for my. I don't know what I'm gonna put on me, but
I have got I have quite a few, but I got a new quad yesterday. I have a feeling I'm going to regret it because my eyelids are peeling. And it's called Melissa Michelle, and it's by Ulta Beauty. It's Bling on the Glam.
where's my lid?
I don't know. It's
Do you
somewhere
see it?
because I didn't touch it. Oh,
Do you see it
mm-mm.
anywhere?
Nope. It's somewhere. Trust me, it's here.
What the heck? Oh,
It's in her face. Anyways, it's Melissa Michelle, and it's by Ulta, and it's called Bling on the Glam.
I think it's a beautiful palette.
I think it's beautiful too. It comes with, why they put wood on a thing like this, I don't know. And then they have the glitter eyeliner to go with it, so there
This
you go.
is BH Cosmetics, and I love. Did you see them?
I think it's beautiful. Really, no, I hadn't seen it. It's really pretty.
BH Cosmetics does a good job.
Yeah, they really honestly do.
Now then. Oh, I forgot to put bronzer on. Let me put bronzer on. And let me put a little bit more. Yes.
What is he doing? He drives me nuts. Oh my God. Ay, ay, ay. I am the Frito Bandito. I love Fritos corn chips. I love them, I do. I'm not winning any contest today singing for you. Yep.
There we go. There we go. We got some natural bronzer on there. I bought more makeup today. Oh,
Today?
today than I have, and I can't remember
Oh,
when.
really? Did your husband take you out?
No, I
Got a
bought
black dot on your nose.
again.
Yeah, it's right there. There you go. Did I get it off?
I got it.
Okay. I just don't want you walking around with a black dot on your nose.
No, that's not a good idea.
Mm-mm.
No, I don't want to use that one. I'll use this one. Okay. Lord, do I want to use...
Yeah, nuts. Don't expect perfection out of me today because it ain't happening. That is so pretty. You know, I like how you are able to do it that way. That's neat.
Okay. That's all I'm going to use with this one.
Okie dokie pokey wokey.
Oh, I hate to
Yeah.
get on there, dang it.
Hot dang. Okay. This is really
Okay.
cool, Kris. This is called Glitter Liquid Liner.
Are you finishing before me?
No. I'm just looking at it because that's pretty.
Okay. Now then, I am going to put... Oh, I want to show this.
Well, go right on ahead.
Look at this Wet n Wild. I can't believe it. It was the last one they had, and it
Pretty.
was $3.99 instead of $2.99.
Oh, good. Oh, no, that's not good. Yeah, that's what we need for... We're going to be doing a Halloween palette. And we're going to do all kinds of cool bean stuff. Aren't we, sis?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What am I going to do?
I don't know.
Let's do this one right here.
Okie dokie pokey. Yucca boo boo.
Oh, that's a nice color.
It's good colors, or?
Yeah, it's a nice color. I barely put any on there, and it's
Got a lot of...
pigment.
There you go. Oh, I like this. I can use this instead of using this and get this out of the way. Boy.
Oh, that's,
La 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 la.
now let's see if I can do this. Yes, I can.
Man, I have got a mess going on here. I don't know what's wrong
Look
with me.
at my desk.
Yours looks good, man. Woo, sister. She's looking good. Me, on the other hand, is looking bad. Okay, we're going to do Rotor Man, which is stupid. Why they don't just say
Rotor.
Rotor Man. That's what it says, Rotor Man. Okay, it's Rotor Man. Here you go.
Okay.
I'm going to do that. That's weird. No, I don't like that at all.
Let's see.
Oh, it's a beige color. I don't want to use that for the crease. I mean, that's too beigey. Weird. I wasn't expecting that. Let me just rephrase that.
She's gonna redo her makeup.
Yeah. I don't know, hon. Some scary looking stuff.
I almost bought my Urban Decay over here, but I decided not to.
I mean, I think this is a real pretty palette, but I haven't had a problem with fallout, and I can already tell right now this is going to be serious fallout. Wow.
It's really pigmented.
Is it?
Excuse me, yes.
Okay.
Okay. What next?
You tell me.
This one right here called Moon.
I think those are neat. They have like different splotches through it. It's neat. Yeah.
Oh, I've got heartburn.
Uh-oh, what'd you eat?
It's what I didn't eat. I ate too many aspirin.
I want you to look at this. Fallout everywhere.
Is this fallout?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Yeah, no. I obviously can't return it because, you know, it was 40% off. Now I know why.
Well, keep trying. I mean, you might.
Yeah, it's... Wow. It's just getting worse. I may end up having to take all my makeup off. Holy cow. I haven't had fallout in such a long time that, you know, I just wasn't expecting it. Even with the RIMMEL, I didn't have any fallout, which surprised me.
I'm not having any fallout with this.
That's pretty good. Why do they call BH Cosmetics drugstore makeup? You can't buy it in a drugstore.
Yeah, you can.
Where?
Well, they have it on the end cap at Ulta.
But that's not a drugstore.
And
Huh.
I don't know.
Oops. I got carried away, didn't I?
She sure did.
What's new? Wow. I'm sorry, but I may have to give this to somebody because this is ridiculous. I haven't even got to put eyeliner on. Oh, my Lord. I'm sorry. Nope. Na, 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 na. La, 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 la. These are kind of colors Jennifer likes. Yeah, this is...
Yeah, but she wouldn't know any better than to wear it out on the
teacher.
street just like that.
Oh, no. Ay, 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 ay. Oy, oy, oy. Well, looks like to me I'm going to have to take and do the other one that doesn't have fallout since it'll match everything else I have on because I can't do this. This is ridiculous. Bling on the glam.
Is it just that one?
No, they're all like that. Yikes.
Huh.
It's just, I guess, Fallout City. I don't know. Well, here we go again. Well, guys, I don't think you'll see me in the Sofx. It's by Revolution. It's called Revolution Makeup. Makeup Revolution London. And this is Sofx.
Yes.
And Kristen had it the other day, and I tried it, and that was it. I have to get this because it really, honestly, there wasn't any fallout on it. And I practiced with it and wore it yesterday, and it really, honestly, came out nice. So I'm going to remove. Ugh.
What?
Ugh. It's just, I'm upset. I should have known better than to get. I just should have known better.
Oh, shit. Shoot.
Burger. Wonder where Tobin went.
He went with Calvin.
Yeah, Calvin. Yeah.
Wherever Calvin went.
Well, Tobin wants to play, and so, you know, he's a kid. He should be allowed to play. Why does he have to be up in the house 24/7?
I agree. I agree.
You know, let them play.
What shall I don't think there's any color I can put on my lids. I think I'm going to have to just go.
It's very pretty. I'm going to go and look through all this and play with my color. See how pretty these colors are, guys? Very, very, very lovely. Let's see. I've got gold on my halo today.
There we go. There he is.
There's what?
There's Calvin.
Why is he on the phone?
Isn't he always on the phone?
No, he quit being on the phone all the time, and so that means, I don't know what that means. I'm going to try this lovely color. It's kind of a beigey color.
There's Tobin.
Callie. My little grandson wants attention, and I don't like Calvin getting on the phone unless he's taking care of business. Oh my goodness. I go and touch something and it spreads to the other area. Yep, that would be me. Ooh, I like this color.
Okay.
Let's do some finger painting. Oh, poor, look at his face. Poor baby. He's looking upset. I don't like that.
It's coming in here.
Hey, hey, for the monkeys. We keep a monkey in the round. Hey, there's my handsome man. What's going on?
I'm gonna go back to the house and watch the game. Where you come
Why
in
does he
and
look
stay
sad?
here.
I'm not looking.
He's not. We were just flying the drone. I was
Yeah.
calling Metro.
It's dead now.
Try to get everything.
What did they do?
Nothing. I'll tell you what it is.
Right. Hey, handsome. Grandma's trying to hurry.
Okay, I'm fine.
You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm doing a nice little rich brown color. Oh no, the traditional Kathy. Oh, he's wearing my bumblebees. Oh, hey, can you kind of straighten out the bee? I didn't know the bee got all crookedy. Yep, Kathy's got her corner thing going on there. I'm trying really hard to be grammatically correct. Yippers. Oh my lord. Okay.
I'm gonna try
Oh,
to
my gosh.
style being stylish.
My grandson, he's so funny. Hey Tobin, you're so fine, you blow our mind. Hey Tobin. My son is so cute. My
That
grandson.
is not your son.
I know that. My grandson. Tobin, that's cute. You showing everybody all the granny tricks?
Hmm.
Hmm?
I don't know.
Well, that's a good idea. You just gave me so many good ideas.
Ah!
Nuts, klutz, butts, sluts. La, la. Oh. Hi, guys.
What if you use headbands as glasses and
La
glasses?
la 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 la.
No, what if you use headbands as glasses and glasses as
For headbands. There you go. I have tried all this.
If
If
you
I
go
tear
to
it up in here, though,
scientist-
my mom's going to get mad.
Okay, so this will work.
Okay, mad scientist.
Yeah, it works.
Oh, Kris, your makeup looks gorgeous. Oh, my lord. Look at her eyelashes. And look at me. I look like something's going on. I look like death. This is my final look.
It is not.
Honestly, guys, my eyes are so raw that I'm going to be taking all this stuff off. I just honestly wanted to just get on here with my sister and my grandson, and I'm going to be taking all this off because my eyes are itching and they're raw, and so I'm going to give my eyes a day or two a break. And my beautiful sister,
I'm your sister?
not you, goober. My beautiful sister's eyelashes are like 10 feet long. I don't know what, Matt. Oh, she used the Extreme Wear today by Essence. And at first she wasn't sure, but she's like, her and I both have come to the conclusion, oh my gosh, my grandson burped on me. Her and I have come to the conclusion that we have to allow it at least 2 or 3 times before we give up on it.
Yeah, we give things at least twice. And if after that it's still not working, it ain't gonna work.
Okay, guys, if you will give me, I literally have used it the amount of times you saw. If you give me your name and address,
What?
if you want this, I'll mail it to you. I literally used it once with a clean brush. Yeah.
I don't think
That's
you should be
about where
saying
I'm at
the
with
address.
that.
I don't think you should be saying if you
Oh,
go
no,
to
I
your
mean-
address.
I'm not going to probably use it. It's just not, I don't know. I'm having an issue right now with,
I don't think you should say
Pinks.
give me your name and address and I was
oh no, they'd have to leave their name and address. They'd have to leave their name and address, sweetie. And I'll mail it to them when I get some money. No, they'd have to mail me they'd have to, oh yeah, I see what you're saying. I get it. I got it. I gotcha. It's just whether they, you know, I wish I had a P.O. box, but I can't afford one.
Eventually, we're gonna need a P.O. box.
Yeah, I wish I could afford one.
Oh.
Don't spray it on me, because I'm taking this stuff off. Trust me, when I say don't spray it on me, I really honestly, it's like passing a mini vacation up, because this stuff works so good, and then MAC Fix Plus a second. What, hun?
It's continuous setting spray.
It is awesome. That stuff makes you feel like you're on a little mini vacation. Just for a few minutes, but
I'm
hey.
not in here.
My grandbaby.
I'm tall.
He's
Can't even
tall.
see me.
Ah, he's tall. I can't see him.
Then I'm
Can't see them.
I'm gonna try and
Where'd you go, Captain? Oh, Sophie X, we'll try you next time, guys. I may have to give out on the eye part of the videos for the next week. I don't know. We'll see on my eyelids, because the eyelids are cracking so bad right now. If I keep putting stuff on them, I don't know. It might get worse. Anyways, guys, we are so thankful that you came around and watched us, that you took your little bit of time. My grandson cracks me up. Took your time to share your time with us. That means a lot to us. We love y'all. We pray that you have a really good day today. And
no matter where you are, I hope all is well, and you will see us on your next video. Bye, guys.